How to change voice on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the search button as shown. Here, you can explore the different types of filters available on Snapchat. You can also look up for a filter that you want in the search bar. Now type in voice changer in the search bar. You will get a list of suggestions to choose from. Scroll down to explore and select a filter of your choice. You can now try out this voice changer filter. Share it with your friends and enjoy. This way, you can try out multiple voice changer filters and choose the one that you want. Following these steps, you can easily change voice on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.